Have you ever wondered if SoFi Bank offers credit cards? It's a question that's popped up in the minds of many people looking for convenient and competitive financial solutions. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of SoFi Bank and explore whether they have a credit card offering. SoFi Bank has gained significant popularity in recent years for its innovative approach to personal finance. They offer a range of financial products, including personal loans, investing options, and even mortgage refinancing. But when it comes to credit cards, things might be a bit different. Let's take a closer look at why credit cards might not be a primary focus for SoFi Bank. One possibility is their emphasis on other financial products. They might have found that their core offerings, such as personal loans and investing, are meeting the needs of their customers effectively. While SoFi Bank might not have a traditional credit card, it's worth considering their other financial options. For instance, their personal loans could be a viable alternative for purchases that require credit. These loans often come with competitive interest rates and flexible terms. Another reason SoFi Bank might not have a credit card is their unique approach to financial services. They've positioned themselves as a tech-savvy bank, focusing on providing a seamless digital experience. It's possible that they're exploring other innovative ways to offer credit-like services without the traditional credit card model. Customer feedback. To get a better understanding of SoFi Bank's stance on credit cards, let's hear from some of their customers. We've gathered feedback from people who have used SoFi's services and asked them if they've ever inquired about credit cards. Customer testimonial 1. I've been a SoFi customer for a few years now and I've never felt the need for a credit card. Their personal loans have been more than enough for my larger purchases. Plus, I appreciate their focus on keeping things simple and digital. Customer testimonial 2. I did ask about credit cards when I first opened my SoFi account, but they didn't offer them at the time. However, their customer service was great and they suggested alternative options that worked for me. Based on the feedback we've gathered, it seems that SoFi Bank hasn't prioritized credit cards as a core offering. Their focus on personal loans, investing, and a digital-first approach might explain why they haven't ventured into the credit card market. While SoFi Bank might not have a credit card today, it's possible that they could introduce one in the future. The financial landscape is constantly evolving, and there's always a chance that they might change their strategy. So, does SoFi Bank have a credit card? As of now, the answer is no. However, their other financial products and unique approach make them a valuable option for many people. If you're looking for a convenient and digital-friendly bank, SoFi Bank is definitely worth considering. If you're interested in learning more about SoFi Bank and their offerings, be sure to visit their website or check out their social media channels. They have a wealth of information and resources available to help you make informed financial decisions. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.